a Spyder-Co knife. Show you this doll. You can see it don't want to cut. Watch this. American made block knife sharpener. We will sharpen your blade. You squeeze them in there tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they follow the original bevel. Works the original edge back in a knife. You get real hard knives, just press real hard, they'll go. As I get sharp, I'll lighten up on them and start bringing the back of the knife up. They're quicker than stones, much better for your knife's edge. We're American made, lifetime guaranteed. We put our last name with our website on the handle. Use the back side of your leather belt when you're done, and that polishes the edge. It'll get you sharper again. How's that feel?
Nice.
There you go. Block sharpener. We will sharpen your blade.